Hello all traders. Today is Monday, 4th of November 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures if we see low risk opportunities. As you see on 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price started to go up during the Asian session and during the London session retested the previous daily high and bounced back. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price started to go down on all E-minis. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down, and we are close to the previous level of support, and we have to see the reaction of the price to this level. If we have a deeper pullback and we go up, we will take sell short position when the price retesting this level, and when the price gets rejected at this level and the buyers come back, we will take long position in an uptrend channel. So stay tuned, and we're gonna update you with any trade that we're gonna take today. So we're back and waited for the price to have a deeper pullback. Now it's a good area to enter sell short positions. We set up B and later C and T if the sellers push the price strongly lower. So we set limit orders here on the top area of the previous level of resistance and waiting for the sellers to push the price lower with the setup B, which happened on Dow Jones and was closed with profit. Now we have two sell short position on Nasdaq, and we're waiting for the price to go down, and we manage that proactively. Now we see that the little bit buyers got stronger, so I entered one long position. And here, if the buyer break this level strongly or the sellers come back. So it seems the buyers cannot push the price and break this level, so I entered sell short position, one here, and if we have a deep pullback and buyers come back, again I take long position. So I'm re-entering again several sell short positions using this pullback and closing in the lower area of the channel with profit. It seems from the order flow that the buyers are coming back and this round level is holding. So I'm going to take long positions at this level and may add to the position in the lower area if it can get filled. Again, entering long positions repeatedly because the buyers are coming back. So we're done for the day, and let's look at the stats of all these trades that were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And as you see on this account, we reached profit factor of 11, which is coming from 80% win rate, 66 from the long positions taken, and 85 from 7 sell short positions taken. The average win to loss ratio was 2.8. The largest winning trade was 260, and the largest losing trade was $104. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.